morning friends. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, try of pain. Actually this is a very important questions in Materia Medica, especially in viva and university exams. This question is frequently come. What are the try of pain remedies and their differentiations? How we can difference this try of pain remedies? So let's see. First of all, you should mention the try of pain remedy. What are they? First, you should mention in full forms. First, Aconitum napellus, Coffea cruda, and Materia chamomilla. So you should mention the trio of pain remedy with their full names. Then you will differentiate. So before entering the differentiation among these three medicines, we should know their common names, family, and which parts is used. So first, Aconitum napellus, its common name is monkswood. It's family from the Ranunculaceae, and it's used the whole plant. The medicine preparations from whole plant. And you should know in Ranunculaceae family, it is the most important family where a lot of medicines, homeopathic medicine is prepared. What are they? First, Aconitum napellus, and others are Pulsatilla, and also Staphysagra, and others also. So you must remember, because it's frequently asked in viva questions. What are the medicines from Ranunculaceae family? First Aconitums, then Pulsatilla and Staphysagra, and others also. Then we go for Coffea cruda. In Coffea cruda, here the common name is unroasted coffee, and it belongs in the family Rubiaceae. And so here the raw seeds is used for the preparation of the medicines. Here in under Rubiaceae family, what are the medicines comes, especially important medicines, that is Coffea cruda and others also like China and Ipecac. So these three medicines, most important medicines under Rubiaceae family. Then Materia chamomilla, where the common name is German chamomilla, and it is belongs to the family Asteraceae, and it's used whole plant. So first we differentiate their common names, family, and which part is used. Then we go for the actual actions, why they call that try of pain. Okay, first, characteristics of pains. Actually in Aconitum napellus, the characters pain are intolerables. Pains are intolerable. They drive him crazy. The pain is so severe, because we know the Aconitum medicine where it's a violent, sudden, wild pain. So pain is so severe that is intolerable, and they drive him crazy. In the Coffea cruda, here the pain is great sensitive pain, very sensitive pain, and seem almost unsupportable. The pain is so sensitive that the patients almost seem unsupportable. Okay, or another hand, in Materia chamomilla, in chamomilla, where you can see here also intolerable pain with numbness of affected parts. Here one of the most important point is numbness. So underline word, because these are the keynote symptoms you must remember. So okay, so in chamomilla, intolerable pain with numbness of the affected parts. So the characteristic of pain of these three medicine. Then we go for other characteristics. First, in aconite, the restlessness, anxious, does everything in great haste. So in aconite, what happens? The patient is very restlessness and anxious. We already know the aconite is a restlessness remedy. What are the try of restlessness? I already separately made a video for try of restlessness. They are Aconitum napellus, Arsenicum album, and Rastox. So here the patient is very restlessness, anxious, does everything in great haste. And Coffea, what's happened? In Coffea, here the patient's unusual activity of mind and body. It is the very keynote symptom of Coffea cruda, we know, where the Coffea patient is a lot of crowded of idea, crowded of emotions in their mind is going on. So unusual activity or of unusual anxiety, mind and both mind and body. Okay, in chamomilla, where you can see the patient is quiet only when carried. Especially in child remedy, we already it's a more important child remedy. When the child is carried, he only quiet, otherwise not. So here important is the patient is quiet when carried. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the patients, and here are the characteristics of pain. Now we can go for the modalities. What are the modalities? In Aconitum napellus, actually modalities here, actually it's written in vice versa. So just see. In Aconitum napellus, what are the modalities? Aggravation from evening, night, lying on painful side. These are the three aggravations, and amelioration from open ears. Okay, these are the modalities of Aconitum napellus. And what are the modalities of Coffea cruda? In coffea cruda, the modality are here aggravation from excess emotions, nights, open ears. Excess emotion is a key symptoms aggravate that aggravate all the symptoms also in night times and open air. You see in the opposite, because in aconite amniculus the amylation from open air, but in coffea cruda aggravation from open air. Okay, or in coffea cruda we know it's a very important remedy for toothache. In toothache, that's ameliorated by holding ice cold water in mouth. Okay, actually ameliorated by cold waters. That is a characteristic symptoms of coffea cruda, and this is a keynote symptoms, holding ice water in mouth. Okay, in chamomilla, what are the modalities aggravated from? Actually anger remedy. Chamomilla is anger remedy. Okay, by heat, anger, and here also open air aggravate the complaints. Okay, evening before midnight. Okay, these are the aggravation that's initiate, or these are the aggravations. Okay, in amelioration, so you can see ameliorate chamomilla patient ameliorate by being carried. We already known that the quiet when only carried. So being carried, fasting, that's ameliorate the symptoms, and also warm wet weathers. So these are the trio of pain remedy and their contrast and differentiations. So you should remember all of the points, because these are the key points. Actually these are taken from Boericke and Allen's keynotes, and other points also are there. So don't worry, this is the complete note for university exams. You should mention all the points according to these notes. If you want to get these notes, so I will put it in description, please check. Thank you all of you. See you again on next video. Okay.